Ay, kuya, bilis na, bilis. Ayan na. Ayan na yung train. Dito ka. Sa train. Ay. Wait. Kala ko siya. Yeah. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and this is my life in Korea with my family, of course. Nandito kami ngayon sa Jamsil. May pangalan, Drake.
Si LeBron James.
Dito muna kami sa Sokchon Lake Park. This is the lake park na sobrang popular every spring season. Kasi lahat yung puno na yan ay cherry blossom trees. Ikot tayo para makita natin yung Lotte World and makapagpa-picture tayo. Yung background is Lotte Tower. Hindi nyo ba na-enjoy yung ganitong pasyal-pasyal lang, lakad-lakad?
Enjoy.
Kasi kami ni Tito Alex mahilig lang maglakad-lakad, ganyan, exercise. Meron talagang nagugutom na.
Hindi sa akin binigay. Gumagano na.
Candy, tikman mo, masarap yan.
Ano candy to?
Candy yan, candy. Nandun yung Lotte World. Okay. Aakyatin namin yan next week. Para ma-experience nila yung pinakamataas na tower dito sa Korea. But today, pasyal-pasyal lang kami dito.
Mas matindi yung kanila. Ayun o, nagna 90 degrees yung
Ay!
Oh my GRRR. Oh, di ba?
Oo, ay, naku, mas
90
mataas
degrees.
yan dun sa
Woo!
Ay! Diyos ko!
3, 2, 1, go!
Wow, lakas ni Kuya.
Wag! Kaya pasalin mo si Ellie.
Oh, dali.
Kuya, pasalin mo si Ellie. 1, 2, 3.
Ay, sus. Parang hindi talaga nag-aaway yan. Oo. Ay, tangkad ni Kuya eh. Hawakan mo naman. Ang babait.
Darling, on the highway, doing 95 alone. Trying to reach you, call you, but you won't come to the phone. Remember me, said you'd be my heart's home. Guess you were biding your time. I really should've known. Be with dynamite till we hit a red
Okay, bibili ng ticket.
Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. God, your love was real, but it's not for us. Now you can't decide. After all this time, this is it for us.
Okay, let's go. Hindi, may schedule kasi yung train pag naiwan tayo. Okay, go. First time mag-subway dito sa Korea.
Was you blaming
Mali,
your
yun na yung
games? Was
train,
you
dali.
really born?
Ay, kuya, bilis na. Ayun na. Bait ni Ijun. Gina-guide niya talaga kami.
After all this time, this was it for us.
May marerefund. Kunin mo yung nare-refund, Le.
500.
O, give mo kay Kuya Ijun.
Used to be love on scale, hope for the other side to fail. When the night was enough to talk away the haze of the day. Another day
Welcome to Hongdae,
into the room.
AK Plaza.
Eyes. Yeah, I don't wanna be the one that you wanted. I don't wanna be the one, just the one. Yeah, I don't wanna be one, just the one. Yeah, context of where giving me the look. Yeah, context
Okay,
of
let's go. Maybe your home.
die just for one hug. Clock second hand, I make the whole round. Why you still stand on the minute hand?
Ano yung protesta, tita?
Oo.
Protesta tapos sa atin yung mga kulang vlog.
Nako, Reset Korea naman. Ito na. O, siya daw magano. Ang laki ng rap niya. Ang laki ng kimchi niya. Kuha naman ng picture talaga. Kuha naman ng picture. Wait! Kuha naman siya. Ayan. Naging rap.
Ang lambot nung ano dito, ate. Malayo. Ang lambot yung kami dito. Kaya masarap? No? Sobrang sarap. Enter pala, hindi sobrang.
Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa samgyup dati. Ngayon ko lang nagustuhan yung samgyup sa Korea.
Kasi,
Malambot yung karne. Ang sarap.
sarap.
Ganun kaya.
Tapos ito, be. The best ang... The best yan, be. Dandahan, dandahan. Tinusok na, tita, oh.
Wow!
Thumbs up, thumbs up.
Ay, ay, ay! Dami namin nakain.
Grabe.
Sobrang busog. Uy, joke, uy! Tataguan namin si Ellie.
Asa si Ellie? Baka nawawala.
May nagsiya.
Asa si Ellie? Baka nawawala.
May nagsiya. Ay, sorry.
Iyak ka na?
Let's go, let's go. Ay, nako, ang cool mo talaga, Le.
Ayun na, tita.
Oo, yan. Doon ka daw kay Ate Ina, sabi niya. Ay, eto na ang ano.
Let's go.
Dito kami sa New New.
윤영 두 개 있어.
그래, 전화해야겠어. 와우. Magpapa-ear piercing kami. Wow. Ay, ganda tita kayo. Nice. 덴마크 갈 거잖아. 예쁘게 해야지, 덴마크. 끝났어? 와우. Nagpa-piercing si Tita Kim, si Kaya, and si Ate Ina. Baby, show your ears. Wow. Okay. See you sa next vlog. Uwi na kami. Lobat na ang aking Osmo. Bye! Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa inyong mga first time experience. Wow. Wow. Dessert kami bago umuwi. Treat yan ni Tita Kim. Sarap. Ikaw. Si Ijun nagtatampo kasi hindi siya pinayagan ni Ina magpa-ear piercing. Oh, until now, no daw.
아직 어려워.
Still young. Kain tayo.